just wanted to do a short video today to show how I refill these 1 pound bottles. Because these are what I use with this Burns-O-Matic campfire starter. That's how I start my bee smokers. So I'm just going to show what I use. I got this little universal valve on Amazon for about 12 bucks. So I'm going to torque this onto the propane tank first. Okay, so I'm just going to use a crescent wrench. The male end goes in first. Okay. Alright, what you want to do is turn it upside down. Just see what it's doing there. So we're going to screw this on before we open the valve. And then, I don't know if you could hear that, but it's filling. And when it's done, it shouldn't overfill, it should stop filling up when it's done. It's definitely getting cold. So I just wanted to show where my camera is sitting right here. While this is filling up, we'll just see how active these girls are. They don't. Now I was right here yesterday when I got stung in the ear, so I think I might have one buzzing me right now, maybe. There's a drone that just went in there. I just seen a male bee go in there, so there's still drones. And if there's drones, then queens can breed. Look, they're fighting right there. They're all doing good. I gotta watch where I step over here. Hang on, let me do this. Oh, I'm getting hit. That's what I was trying to do earlier. You think they're hungry? This is here in Texas. They're definitely hungry. Okay, I just got stung right there, but let's see if we can get some video of it pumping. Get off me. I don't know if you can see that. My camera will focus in there. So you can see how, I mean, doesn't bother me one bit. There it is. Nice little stinger. All right, let me see if I can find some plantain. I believe that's exactly what this is. It's plantain. So what I'll do is I'll take this, I'll chew it up, and then rub it on that spot. Should take the sting right out. Give me 1 second. Alright, so I chewed it up. You just take that, and you rub it on there. Takes the sting right out. So, let me check that. Let me check this bottle. So first I'm going to turn it off, close it. One just tried to get on me there. Woo! Alright, I wasn't ready for that, but let me turn this light off on my camera. Hang on, I'll be right back. my sting from earlier. Let me see if y'all can see this. Not sure if, there we go. It's really hard to tell if you can see that or not. But I got one buzzing me now. But I'm gonna show how I light my smoker with that. Let me get the propane tank out of here. I'll be right back. So, let me turn it back off. Okay, this is one of the ones I just filled up. Just turn this knob here. Look, that easy. It's real windy out here as well. So it works nice. Do it like this, or you can heat it up from the side. If you don't mind, if you're watching this video, post how you start your smoker. Post what you use for fuel and what you use to start it. And another thing I like to do is I like to put a little rosemary on the top, or some sage or something green that will put off that smell, because that actually calms the bees. It helps keep them calm when you're using it. You don't have to use so much smoke per se. But anyway, I just wanted to share that. And you see, I got this thing going. But I'm not going to use it, so I'm done. Just for demonstration purposes only. Alright, but that's all. Thanks for watching. So this is December 10th at about 11 in the morning, roughly. And it's a little chilly out here, probably about 47 degrees. But man, these girls are busy. Look at that. They're definitely working it. Windy and cool.